Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to introduce you Jupyter notebooks. In the installation process of Anaconda, you know how to access the Jupyter notebooks. So in order to open a new Jupyter notebook, you click on here New and then choose Python 3. And this is where you are going to write your own code. Each line is called cell. So you can click here and then type 2 plus 2. And then you are going to choose here Run. And when you run the code, then you will get the output. Since 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, as you see, the output is 4. You can choose another way to execute cells. So you can type here 2 plus 3 and then click on Shift and then Enter. As you see again, the command code is executed by using Shift and Enter. So when you run your code, you can choose either Run or Shift Enter. If you would like to add a new line, you can use this plus sign adds. And if you want to delete a cell, you can choose Cut here, the scissor sign. It's going to cut the lines. And if you would like to move the line up and down, then you can use arrows here. As you see here, we move the empty line to the top. And if you would like to give a heading to your code, which is very helpful because as you learn programming in Python, you will realize that it's very important to be explicit with your coding and give a description to your users on what you do on each line. So here, let's say you want to give some heading to this code. Start with hashtag and write some heading. And this is now a code cell. When you come here, there are other options and choose Markdown. And after you choose Markdown, run this cell. And now you have some heading in your code. You don't have to use plus and the scissor sign to add a line or to delete a line. You can press A. It adds a new line. You can also press B. It adds a new line below. So press A, adds a line on the top. Press B, adds a line below. Another useful thing that you need to know for this class is how to save the file. You see here Untitled. Click on that and then change the name to Notebook 1. And then rename. And you can click on File. And here you can choose to download your file as notebook file, which is IPYNB. Most of the assignments, I request you to upload IPYNB file, but you can also download as a Python file, which is PY. So this is how you download the files. And finally, if you would like to save your Jupyter notebooks, you can use Save button here. So let me summarize. Run is for executing commands. Plus and scissor adding and deleting a line. Arrows are going to move your lines up and down. You can choose the code cell to change into a code or a markdown. If you click on File and Open, you can be able to see all the files that you have on your computer. You can upload a file here as well. You may need to upload your data files, for instance. You are going to click on Upload and find where the CSV files in your computer. So this is the introduction to Jupyter. Thank you for watching the video.